Hi my dear friends, welcome to PAGadget YouTube channel. The 360N6 Pro is official unboxing and first look. Let's open the box. What the inside of the box? The N6 Pro on first look appears to have a double-sided glass design, but it's actually only the front that has glass. The rear is metal but has a non-conductive vacuum (NCVM) coating that gives it a smooth and highly reflective finish similar to glass. The glass up front is 2.5D and it covers not only the display but also the bezels at the top and bottom. The bottom of the phone is home to the micro USB port, speaker grill and microphone, while the top houses the 3.5mm audio jack. The overall design of the N6 Pro doesn't look bad, but we wish it was available in more colors. 360N6 Pro. The N6 Pro's selling point is its display. It is a 5.99-inch screen with the popular 18:9 aspect ratio and a 2160 by 1080 resolution. The bezels have been cut to make way for the screen, resulting in a phone with an 84.5% screen-to-body ratio. Under the phone's metal body is a Snapdragon 660 processor, a more than capable processor that should handle anything you throw at it. The N6 Pro comes in 3 RAM and ROM configurations. The base version has 4GB RAM plus 64GB ROM. There is a 6GB RAM plus 64GB model, and the high-end version comes with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. All 3 models have support for storage expansion.